Hello everyone. How are you all today? Today I drew a parrot. So meanwhile, I'll do a read aloud story for you all. The title is The Bird Pair and the Sea. Let's start. There once lived a pair of peasants near the sea. One day, the female peasant told her husband that she was going to have babies and must look for a safe place to lay her eggs. The husband said, "My dear, this seaside is enchanting and it is better that you lay your eggs here." The wife said, "When it is the full moon, the tide of sea can wash away even wild elephants. Let's go somewhere else." Amused, the husband said, "What do you say is true? But the sea has no power to harm us. You can lay your eggs here." But the sea had heard the pheasants. It thought, "How vain is this bird? No bigger than a worm. Let me drown their eggs and see what he can do." After laying eggs, the female bird went in search of food. In her absence, the sea sent a giant wave that carried away the eggs. The female pheasant returned to the nest and not finding the eggs there, said to her husband, "You are a fool. I told you that the waves would wash away the eggs." "Don't worry, my dear. I'll think of another way to teach him a lesson. I will siphon off all the water in the sea and leave him dry," the husband said. "But how can you consume all the water in the sea?" "Call all your friends and try to do the job together," advised the wife. Impressed with his wife's wisdom, the husband agreed. As their friends, the cranes, peacocks, and cocoons and other birds gathered, the male peasant told him the story how the sea had killed their offsprings and how necessary it was to drain him out. They suggested, "We cannot do this job. Let us go to Garuda, Lord Vishnu's vehicle, and seek his help." All the birds went to meet Garuda and told him, "Oh Lord, we need your help. The sea had destroyed the eggs of the peasant pair." Moved by their sad story, Garuda went to Lord Vishnu and told him everything. "Come with me. I shall recover those eggs from the sea and make the pheasant pair happy again," said Lord Vishnu. Then he took out his weapon and aimed it at the sea and warned him, "Return the eggs to this bird pair, otherwise I'll turn you into a desert." Frightened, the sea returned all the eggs to the peasants. Remember, he who challenges an enemy without knowing his opponent's strength is defeated in the end. I hope you all like this story. Thanks for watching.